Hey guys, GTA Killer 15 here, and as you can see, I got my trains working today. Turns out it was just a buffering problem, so I just reformatted, fixed the settings on it, and it works perfectly. And we have a train in the distance on, I don't remember what bridge that is, but, and it's an Innamoral, so it's gonna be a long ass freaking freight train. That head engine looks familiar. We might have a crossing malfunction. Oh, no. Oh, it is! CP 2001? And 3 other Canadian Pacific sd40-2s. And we have a Innamoral. They're calling it Innamoral? I'm done. Now that's something you don't catch up here. And I apologize for the horn, guys, because the horn is pretty quiet. I just didn't have the time to remaster it. And we got a monster stack. It's ridiculous how long this thing is. I keep forgetting every time on this route that trains are very long. So just sit back and watch the contest. This is not crawling, it's actually going at a decent speed. Yeah, I just heard air brakes go off, so I think it's slowing down for the grade coming up ahead. Sounds like I hear helpers. Yeah, it sounds like helpers. A caboose? And 2 CEFX leasers? Wow. SD40 power is striking and very heavy. Well, guys, stay tuned for more videos. GTA Killer 15 here, signing out. Peace, guys.